With an overall depth of only 32 centimeters, the Pepeo Kisa ceiling fan is suitable for rooms with low ceilings. Despite its small size, the flush mount design of the ornate housing provides sufficient space for a powerful, high-quality 3-speed motor. True to the traditional look, all 3 speed levels of the Kisa are activated with an integrated pull chain. The integrated ceiling light features 3 frosted tulip glasses and uses an E14 screw base to cast a soft and bright light. This makes the Pepeo Kisa a stylish source of illumination and air movement. The light fitting is controlled with an independent pull cord. This ceiling fan does not only offer cooling on hot days. Spinning the fan in reverse allows recirculation of heat on cold days. A manual slide switch on the housing adjusts the summer and winter modes. The Pepeo Kisa is available in 2 color options. The brass-finished Kisa model boasts a matte housing surface. The 2-toned reversible blades offer users the option of installation either with the oak and cane side or mahogany side showing. The white model is also supplied with reversible blades in maple and white. Whichever model you decide on, the Pepeo Kisa is a great choice for superior air circulation regardless of the ceiling height.